Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Icds Amlarem katanat kakot kakya bat katanat puli puthi hakalai photarik nailur kila Pynkut no ya program Poshan Maah ka bashibnai linter haga jingalang kablalong has jing suk hall Amlarem hagani si ladonlang u Dr. A Saini Icds kum ukongsan kat bakakong arpasa Assistant Commissioner for Person with Disabilities kalalong kum kesumbut kongsan uba GLC Meliam BDO ka Amlarem si ana di blog ki wahesh nong ki officer na kitna trekam bapher bat ki wei u e saini kum ukongsan ha jingkran uloong baro ki ar sorkar kata ka sorkar pedeng bat ka sorkar jela ki le trelang ban pentikna ka kot ka khya ka jinghe jingsan bat biang ki jingbam batei haki khana uloong ru ka jingla ban pelat pat ba ka menu jong ka ICDS kan salong ka jingmentoi namar la yu ka jingkiu ka kot ka khya haki khana baduna ki jingbam batei u pertoru e ki sahab ka kot ka khya ka CDPOs bat ki kinhun badai pet hapo ka ni ka blog baling ba ka jingshim khya ka jongki ban penlong ki jingalang ba pher kilala ban itho e ki khana ki longkmi baduna yi ki jingbam batei kham tam e ha ki longkmi arman
to be very important and vital in ensuring a very good health, growth and nutrition for the children of Meghalaya. Especially I have seen that the meals that are already given, as I was discussing with the CDPO, they are not really tasty and are not liked by the children or the beneficiaries. So it is very important, as our principal secretary sir has also decided to do some local level inclusion of locally made meals, which are not just nutritious but delicious also. So that will go a long way in ensuring nutritional security for the children. And including diets which are rich in iron, protein, and they are locally available, so much easier to procure, and reduction in the transport cost also. So I am hoping that this menu has been curated, we will be able to include some of the items in the diet of the Anganwadis. And already as a result of this Poshan Maah, we have seen the result that we have been able to improve the health of certain man children. I would like to commend the medical officers also who have been coordinating with the Anganwadis and with the CDPO as well as the block team with the sector meetings where they have identified these man and SAM children or women who are in need of looking after the care for the anemia, because we do have a very high rate of anemia, especially among the pregnant and lactating mothers. So with this concerted effort and this intersectoral efforts from the various departments, I am sure that in future Amlarem we will be able to ensure the anemia Mukt Bharat also, starting with Amlarem, we will achieve very good results. So again, I would like to thank CDPO and the ICDS project Amlarem team for calling me today. It was a really good experience for me to see all the activities they have done, and I hope the momentum is continued in the future and doesn't just stop with the Poshan Maah. And again, to all the Anganwadi workers and supervisors who are present, it is because of you that we are able to achieve the ground level results. Please keep the momentum going. My best wishes to all of you. Thank you so much.
We call it as a nutrition month. We have a lot of activities under the theme of anemia prevention, growth monitoring, effective service delivery through good governance and technology, Poshan Bhi Parai Bhi, and also this supplementary nutrition.
Focus kejap ini yang ke 7th Rashtriya Poshan Maah. Tak we to put rock in the empowerment of women through nutrition. Empowerment of women through nutrition. Imut ka kate, ka sarkar ka changwa. Kat olah ya kubur ya ka manbe. Ngasrai tin jo sia ha pi kam tam ki self group. No? Empowerment of women. Tak he. Ken ka tin empowerment of women man ka ka tin ko em kam hai in sang thoi. And tak the nutrition month, the clock no ika wa ka empowerment of women through nutrition. Kak sang thoi wala da kaman be. Memang go check ko kia. Memang go biang iti pam iti betai ka met. Mie go ka chakram. Mie go pendet iti kamram go ro. Na do na yuk hado halai. Tak he.